Okay, hey guys. Today I have the camera set on, kind of like, what was it, ghost detecting kind of way, and because I'm going ghost hunting with nerf guns. And let's see how this goes. Oh, and tell me in the comments if you even saw a ghost and I didn't. Okay? Thanks. I've got the nerf gun loaded. By the way, this isn't really blue. It's just the color of how it's set on. It's got negative color charges things, but it's not. It's actually yellow. But I'm going ghost hunting right now with the nerf gun. And tell me. Remember, I told you. Tell me in the comments below if you saw a ghost and I didn't. Guys, right now I'm like outside in the woods, and it's dark. I'm kind of scared. And look at this. I just found this. I didn't see it earlier. There was a playground here. It was really old. Okay, it's all loaded. Now I'm walking. What? Look at this. Look what I just found. A nerf retaliator. My goodness. I'm taking this gun. And I just left that behind. Oh man, it's out of ammo. Yeah, I brought extra ammo. Let me get it out of my pocket. Okay. I just heard some screaming in the woods. Okay, this is ready and loaded. Okay. Wow, I just reached out of the woods, and I'm like in somebody's yard, I think. Do you see that? That is a truck. And look at that house. I don't know if you can see it right now. Do you see that? I'm just going to go back in the woods now. I don't want to be out here in the yard. I'm going back into the woods. Okay. Oh my goodness. Whoa, did you see that? I just saw a ghost in there. I don't know if y'all could see that, but I just saw one just go right in there. That was creepy. I could see him just ducking down like that. Still in the woods. Cool. I accidentally just shot the nerf gun. yesterday, I just saw a ghost yesterday. Like, I was asleep in my bed. I was creeped out. I was pretty scared. But, I could hear voices. I could see it. Like, I was just looking at my wall. And say this is my wall. I could see something just in a shadow. Like that. Okay, right now I'm pretty scared. I just heard someone scream. I am pretty scared right now. Go on to part 2 of this adventure of hunting ghosts with Nerf guns. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in part 2. And remember to subscribe, leave a comment, or click like. Thanks. Bye.